traders, we're looking at silver at the moment on the daily time frame. The thing about this is, I mean, we're in this really nice bullish trend, but it's trading up into this distribution level here. So we've got that, we've got this, we have this one over here. So these levels are, well, big resistance levels, basically. Here's how we can navigate through this. Let's just go down to the 4-hour chart. And what I want to do is scroll back, come back here. Let's just grab the anchored VWAP. The anchored volume profile. And we're going to take it, well, we'll just pull it through here and see what it looks like. So what I'm looking at is this 4-hour time frame. You want to map out these profiles like so, just where these bars are protruding. And you can see over here, like this is the value area distribution. So these are key levels of resistance. And where are we at the moment? Well, there's one there. Let's just, oh yeah, come over 2 hour. All right, here's the thing, 3 targets, but we've got this resistance to push through. Okay, and you want to look to trade through these gaps. So you've got the gap between here and here on the volume profile, the gap between, well, here as well, where it reduces. You can see the bars on the right hand side here. So we're looking to trade through these gaps. Just pull that through again, click. All right, yeah, and so you don't have to pull the chart too far back. So we've got a bit of a roadmap. So for me to get involved with this, I'm looking to get through this level here. And if you look left, okay, we'll just mark that up. So we've got this value area here. That's our first port of call. Now, I'm going to be looking for a buy if we push through here and come back and retest. See with the how this matches up with the over here. We can see it starts to drop off, right? So this here is my point of interest right there. All right, and then our second target is going to be this, the midpoint of that. It's as easy as that, guys. I mean, the volume profile really is a great tool. I love it. Look at that. Now, there's 3 distinct targets, and we want to trade through these gaps. All right, so I really don't want to get long in here because we've got a couple of things going on. We've got this trend here, all right? There's a shift in structure. So we don't know if this is actually going to head south for a bit. We don't know yet, all right? I mean, it could possibly, I don't know. I mean, it could head back down here before we see it move, okay? So this is why I don't want to get involved with it here at this point, all right? I want to see it break this high, come back and retest, and then that would be an entry point, right? So then entry here, and then we've got target 1, target 2, based on the volume profile. You know what, guys? I think that pretty well wraps it up. That's an entry point. That's a point of interest. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. So definitely leave a comment below and let me know what you think. That would be an entry. Let me just mark that up. Yeah, your comments are definitely welcome. Okay, I'm going to just label this possible entry. All right, possible entry if bullish break. There you go. Entry if bullish break on the retest. That's my plan for the for XAGUSD, guys. Look, with that, I hope you have a fantastic day. Safe trading. Leave a comment. See you in the next one.